Google Photos is not just a gallery app. It is a powerful cloud storage, privacy, and AI editing tool that most users never fully use. Below are 5 hidden features explained step by step in a simple and professional way. Feature 1. Turn on backup and sync. Never lose your photos again. This is the most important Google Photos feature. Backup and sync automatically saves all your photos and videos to your Google account in the cloud. Even if your phone is lost, broken, or reset, your memories remain safe. Steps to enable. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Photos Settings, tap Backup. Turn on the backup option. Select the correct Google account if you have multiple accounts. Choose backup preference such as Wi-Fi only or mobile data if needed. Once enabled, every photo and video is automatically uploaded to Google Cloud. You can access them anytime from any device just by logging into your account. This gives you complete peace of mind that your data is never lost. Feature 2. Move photos to locked folder, private vault. The locked folder feature allows you to hide private photos and videos from your main gallery. These files are protected and cannot be seen in search, albums, or shared areas. Go back to main page. Select the photo or video you want to hide. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top corner. Choose Move to Locked Folder. Confirm using your PIN, fingerprint, or screen lock, or some time to needed. The selected files disappear from your main gallery and are stored in a secure locked space. Only you can access them, making this feature ideal for personal or sensitive content. Feature 3. Restore deleted photos and videos. Trash recovery. Google Photos has a built-in recovery system that keeps deleted files for a limited time. If you accidentally delete something, you can easily restore it before it is permanently removed. Steps to restore. Open Google Photos. Go to Collections, tap Trash or Bin. Select the photos or videos you want to recover. Tap Restore. Deleted files are usually kept for around 30 to 60 days depending on your settings and device. After that, they are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. You can quickly recover important memories without stress if you delete something by mistake. Feature 4. Create Collage, automatic photo design tool. Google Photos can automatically create stylish collages using your selected images. No editing skills or third-party apps are needed. Steps to create a collage. Open Google Photos. Long press one photo to start selection. Select between 2 to 9 photos. Tap Create option from the menu. Choose Collage. Google Photos automatically arranges your selected images into a clean, well-designed collage that is ready to save or share instantly. Feature 5. AI Smart Editing Tools. Pro-level editing without apps. Google Photos includes advanced editing tools powered by AI. These tools help you enhance your photos like a professional editor without needing any extra software. Open any photo in Google Photos, tap the Edit option, use tools such as Auto Enhance for instant improvement, brightness, contrast, and color adjustment. Crop and rotate tools, background blur for portrait photos, additional AI tools depending on your device. Tap Save Copy after editing. Your photos instantly look clearer, brighter, and more professional with just a few taps. And that's a wrap. Hope these Google Photos tips make your life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.